Welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. If you're just joining us for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know when new video comes in. Okay? And also like, comment, and share. Now, we are talking of trigonometry. We have seen the introduction of trigonometry and also the Pythagoras theorem. If you have not seen that video, please, I recommend that you watch that video before this. You check it at the link down below this video in my YouTube channel. Okay? Now, we want to see the sine rule. Now, I told you before that we only use the Pythagoras and the SOHCAHTOA whenever it involves the right angle triangle to look for the side. Okay, if you have not seen that video, I recommend you check the video below my YouTube channel. You see a link there, so you look on the previous videos. Okay, now let us see the sine rule. Now we said that we'll use the SOHCAHTOA and the Pythagoras theorem for a right angle triangle. But what of a triangle that is not right angle? Which do we use? We use the sine rule or the cosine rule to get the sides or the angles. For instance, you will take cognizance of a triangle ABC, which you can call this A, B, and C. I once told you that we denote angles with capital letter. So the side, we can call this small letter A, which is opposite the angle A. This side, we can call this small letter B. We can call this small letter C. Okay? So, in this now, given a triangle like this, the sine rule states that A over the sine A equal B over the sine B equals C over the sine C. Okay, so with this formula, you can use to find the sides of triangle that is all with right angle and also the angles involved. Okay, so but this formula has conditions. Now we can only use this formula under two conditions. One, the first condition is when two angles and a side, when two angles and a side is given. For instance, we will use this formula when two angles, probably angle C and angle B, and side B is given. When two angles and a side is given, you can use this formula. And the second condition is when two sides and an angle where the side is given is also given. For instance, we said when two sides, for instance, they give us side B and side A. It means that if we have side B and side A, they should also give us angle A or angle B. Okay? But if you have side B and side A and they give you angle C, you can't use this. As I was saying, when two sides and the angle in which one of the sides is given is also given. So this is two conditions in which you can use the sine rule. Okay? So if we want to solve this question given, for instance, I'll say QRS is a triangle with QS equal 12 meters and angle RQS equal 30 degrees. Now, whenever you see something like this, take note that the angle resides on the one at the middle. Okay? And angle QRS equal 45 degrees. Calculate the length of RS. Okay? Now, this is not a right angle triangle. It means we will use the sine rule. Now, whenever you're given something like this, please, I said it before, ensure that you dramatize it. Okay? You draw the diagram. Okay? Now, for instance, we have solution. Now, if we draw it and have something like this. Now we said the triangle is angle QRS X. Okay, so if we have triangle QRS, now they said QS is 12 meter. Now this is 12 meter. That's lines QS. The angle QS, that means the angle I told you is at the middle. There is 30 degrees. And angle QRS is 45 degrees. I said calculate the length of what? RS. I want to calculate RS, this length. And I told you Q, so this we can represent this as what? Q. So remember the condition given to use this formula. When two angles on one side, so we can use this. So we said by sine rule, I said our Q over sine Q equal R over what? Sine R. Now from this now, our Q is this, it's not given, so we'll still present it as Q over sine. Our Q here is the angle, which is 30 degrees. We have 30 degrees equal, our R is what? 12. So we have 12 over sine, and R is what? 45 degrees, so we have 45 degrees. Okay, now from this now, we have something like this. Our aim is to get Q, which is this line RS, the axis to find. So what do? We cross multiply. Now if we cross multiply, we'll have Q times sine 45 degrees equal 12 times sine 30 degrees. So we want to get Q. We want Q to stand alone. We divide both side by sine 45. So Q is standing alone now. We have 12 times sine 30 over sine 45 degrees. So our Q is now equal to 12 times sine 30 will give us 0.5. Divided by what? Sine 45. We can use our calculator to get it. So if we have sine 45 is 0.7071. Okay, so our Q is now equal to 12 times 0.5. We'll have 6 over 0.7071. So our Q is equal to 6 divided by 0.7071 will give us 8.485. So we can approximate it to 8.5 meter. Okay. So we can, our Q, which is this side, is 8.5 meter. So that is how to use the sine. So if you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share this video.